Hello guys, today I am Singh going to solve something very uniquely, and this is the chapter of class 11 Maths R.S. Agrawal, and NCERT also included the chapter complex number, which I am going to solve today. And the chapter name is complex number, from which I made some question somebody gave me, please her solve this. So I was so very interested to solve this question, so I think you all will like my solved question. So let's ahead with my question. Now everybody watch very carefully. This is the chapter square root of complex number. What the chapter? Chapter name square root of complex number, from which I made some question, and the question is first question, root under minus iota. As we know from the rule of complex number, the complex number should be in the form of a plus iota b. So we'll let it mind z equals to 0 minus iota. It means we also took real part. Now what will we do? We have to solve this question with a so uniquely way. Now we will do 0 minus iota equals to x plus iota y. Why this is necessary? This is necessary for gaining to the roots, for gaining to the answer, for gaining to the answer of the x and y. What we try to do now? Okay, let's move. For gaining this, we need to squaring both sides, and we have already done square in both sides. Now after squaring, we gain 0 minus iota equals to, and this will be also included in the formula of a plus b ka whole square, the square of a plus b. Squaring both sides after, we will get 0 minus iota equals to x square plus iota square y square plus iota 2xy. After this, we will also follow the same rule, 0 minus iota equals to x square, but we did here y minus y square. Why? Anybody will ask why you put the minus y square here. Then I would like to tell them, if you have studied the rule of iota's power, then you may know this, why we put here minus y square. So this is the rule. As we know, iota square equals to minus 1. What mean iota equals to minus 1? This is the rule of iota's power. Now from iota's power, we know that the square of iota equals to minus 1. Again, we already have done the process. Now move on. Comparing real and imaginary part. What we are doing here? We are comparing real and imaginary part. What we doing here? We are comparing real and imaginary part. Now, what the real and imaginary part here? We watching x square minus y square is besides of the rule. No, it is no besides of the rule. Okay. Now what will you do? As we can see here, 0, and in right side we are watching, this is x square minus a square, and this is iota minus iota, and this is also iota 2xy. So what is the conclusion of here? We will try to do the real part. Real part means that which do not along with the iota, which do not combine with iota. Here we are watching that x square minus y square equals to 0. Why? Because they do not follow with the iota. Iota is not combining with them. Understand? Now, and again, iota equals to 2 iota xy equals to minus iota, and if we cut minus iota in our mind, okay, now put here 2x y equals to minus 1, 2xy equals to minus 1. We done. Now for solving this question, we need also a thing, x square plus y square. For gaining the value of x, then we may able to solve the question, then we may able to find the value of x and y, because we have to now what we get? We get the value of x square plus y square equals to 1. This is second. Now for finding the value of x, and y, we have to add it together. Now we have added it, then we find that y square and y square is cancelled from here, then we get 2x square equals to 1. Why 2x square? Means x square plus 1 square and 1 square. It means 2x square equals to 1, and we get x square equals to 1 by 2, and x equals to, as we know that when root is vanished from any number, then we put plus